This is Dilip from Econ Systems. Are you facing any challenges in choosing the right camera for your product? If your answer to that question was yes, here is an opportunity to have your questions resolved. Econ Systems, in collaboration with Silicon Highway, is conducting a webinar on 29 September 2021. In this webinar, we'll take you through the key factors you have to keep in mind while choosing the right camera for your product. What are the different types of product that you can build with different vision solutions, and the steps you can take to accelerate your product development cycle. Econ Systems is a leading OEM camera manufacturer with over 18 years of experience in building vision solutions for different customer needs. We help our customers bring their product ideas to life. Join us in this webinar and have your questions regarding cameras answered and learn how to bring your product ideas from concept stage to reality. Thank you.